So this is how to easily plow. You have to ensure that you not use too much pressure because the cows will get tired easily. So you have to be gentle on them. What's up guys? Good morning. It's a beautiful day. It's around 6 a.m. here and people are already in their farms weeding, like I'll be showing you in just a few. So in our village, if you can't afford maybe to hire a tractor to plow your farm, the easiest option is to use animals like cows, and you can hire them, or if you're somehow financially stable, you can also own those cows. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to plow. It's not an easy job to plow, but I'll try my best and show you how to easily plow in a farm like this. So farming is the main activity, economical activity in the village here. We plant maize, beans, cassava and potatoes and so much. Just a few people also plant maybe tobacco, but it's not edible. So join me guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and also drop a sweet comment. Yes. So you can see guys, I'm already in my boots, and today this is the main activity that we'll be doing. So after plowing like this, people usually come with ropes, and then they plant the maize. So the maize has to be planted in spacious, spacing. So the ropes ensure that you plant the maize in a straight line, and also give you enough spacing.
Hapo ndio unalima penye paja.
Well, the main concept while plowing is for you to ensure that you do not press too much on the plowing machine. You have to be soft and gentle on the cows so that they do not tire easily. These cows are trained due to the experience they have been doing over the years farming, so they know the duty. But again, you have to respect the cows, so don't beat them too much, just try and control them. So the cows are trained, they even know the local language. So for example, you can tell them up or down or faster. Yes, so they easily understand the people, and not anyone can just come and plow with them. So some are very skilled. A person can just decide to go on his own and plow. Some time back during farming, people used to also place the seeds as you plow, but with time they realized that the maize were not growing that much because there was too much maize being spread on the shamba. So that's why these days they prefer coming to plant later after you've already plowed the shamba. So they only place 2 seeds of maize and some fertilizer, and maybe some 2 seeds of beans in the same hole. kindly drop a comment if you've ever been in such an activity. It's so much fun, and it's also a very good source of exercise. Doing this, you wouldn't even need to go to the gym. So this is how to easily plow. You have to ensure that you not use too much pressure, because the cows will get tired easily. So you have to be gentle on them. And also they're used to that language, so when you say up, songa, you see, so that they're just like human beings.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can see how they're plowing. So here's the corner they're now taking. Amazing.
Hey. Well, that's some sense of. Stop.
So you cannot plow here. Well, so that is the main activity here in the village, guys. You can see we have been plowing, so you have to ensure that you plow very softly. Don't give the cows too much work. And they get the cows very early in the morning at around 3 a.m. because at that time the cows have that energy, and there's also no sunlight to like exhaust them. So that is the main reason why they get up so early. So you can see a person like this, he plowed using a tractor. So if you can afford tractors, it's easier and quick, and also it can save time. But for the cows, it takes a lot of time, because every day you have to like plow small portions. So a shamba like this could take up to a week for you to complete plowing. So that's why maybe most people prefer to just sacrifice themselves, maybe get a tractor, because it's easier for them to quickly plow. Yes. Well, after planting or after plowing, guys, I have to take you for a small tour around our village also to see the beautiful shambas lying. So these are whole area just lying. People have been, you can see even the roads, guys. Yeah. So this shows you that there's a lot of activities in our village here. People are trying as much as they can to plow, early preparations of their shamba. And you can see there's something like this. I don't know if you can see this black one here. So they are trying also to add manure on their farms, because production has started going down, because there has been continuous plowing. Every day people are plowing. So they have started improving their shambas, bringing manure using trucks. Like there's another one here. So guys, you can see it's around 6:30 still, or let me say 6:40, and people have already come out of the shambas. So you can see a shamba like this, people were here very early in the morning, they were plowing. So usually they come here as early as 3 a.m. with the torches and some lamps. So by 6 they're already done. So that's how quick and easy they come plowing in these shambas here in the village. So you can see, like, also here it looks fresh, the soil looks fresh. Trust me, it's not even 7 a.m. already, and people have already left the farms. You can see even we have fresh footprints. 7 a.m. and they're done already with the plowing. So they get up as early as 3 a.m. to come and do the plowing. By 7 a.m. they are done, or 6 they're already done. They go and do different activities also. Maybe kids, like some kids wake up that early, come to the shamba, and then they go wash their feet, change into school uniform, and then off they go to school. So today I really wanted to show you that the different activities. I think I'm even lost. I was just taking random walks. I don't know if there's a river here, but let's go and find out for ourselves. So this is napier grass also for the cows. So you can see the big lands, very fertile soil also. So let's try and find maybe if there's some water here. I don't know if the river dried up. There used to be a stream here for drinking water. Let's check for ourselves if it's still here or it has dried up already. Oh wow, we found one. Oh, I'm so thirsty. The good thing is that we have free water flowing everywhere, and people have decided to come and let me drink some water. I've not even washed my face. Very cool water. So thirsty. Very fresh water. I know you might be wondering, every day I'm drinking water from the streams. This is the kind of water that even in our home we come to get water from places like this, because even rainwater is not that clean. It has so much impurities, so much dust, especially during the dry season. During the dry season, after a long period of drought without the rain. So the first 1 week that it rains, the water is not that clean for the the rainwater is not that clean, but drinking such water from the stream, very nice and clean, and it's flowing the whole year. Yes, so I don't know if someone is calling. Yes, someone is calling. Yes, so my mom was calling. Wow. So guys, the sun is already out. Beautiful sun. The sun is now out. So let's try and see what other activity you can do also. I'm seeing some people there are plowing. So the women's duty, for example, if a family doesn't have enough boys, maybe, or they've gone to school, the woman can be there. I don't know if you can see her. She's somewhere behind there. I cannot go and record her. So the duty of the woman, she cannot hold the plough. Is it called a plough? Yes, I think it's a plough. So her duty will be to take maybe a cane and direct the cows. So she can be beating the cows from behind and maybe telling them the direction to go. So the man only has to hold the plough. So I think it's a taboo in our village for the women to be holding the plough while plowing. So their duty easily is to just direct the cows. Yes, and they leave also early. They go and prepare maybe a porridge and bring it to the farm. Yes.